Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Netflix with an Apple gift card, addressing the current situation. Unfortunately, for most new or rejoining members, Netflix no longer accepts Apple billing. This means you cannot directly use an Apple gift card to pay for a new Netflix subscription. Even existing subscribers who previously paid through Apple are now being asked to update their payment details. This change began around 2018 when Netflix decided to stop accepting new subscriptions billed through Apple. The primary reason for this shift is that Netflix prefers to handle all payments directly. By doing so, they avoid paying Apple a percentage, typically 15%, of the subscription fees. This allows Netflix to retain more revenue from each subscriber. If you were one of the long-term subscribers who paid for Netflix through Apple, you are now being asked to transition to a direct payment method. Netflix is actively prompting these users to update their billing information. It is crucial to switch to a credit card, debit card, or another accepted payment method directly with Netflix. Otherwise, you risk losing access to your streaming service. While you cannot directly use an Apple gift card for Netflix, your card is still valuable for other purchases. You can use it for Apple products, apps, games, music, or even iCloud storage. If your goal is specifically Netflix, a practical alternative is to sell your Apple gift card and use the cash to fund your Netflix subscription directly. This ensures you can still enjoy your favorite shows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.